This is incredible.
Okay, I think we're going home.
Yeah.
I don't want to be stuck anywhere. No, we're going home. Yeah. Look at the tail here. Oh my god.
Don't take the...
Yeah, the car is stuck there. Stuck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How?
See it? I don't know because we're slow. Look at the truck.
Yeah, the truck can do it.
Well, look, he almost hit the car.
There's that guy again.
Oh, he's still stuck there, eh? So I don't want to stuck on the speed up. Sorry guys, we're not gonna go. Maybe later. I don't know. Look at that, Oscar. Look at
Yeah.
the side. Whoa.
This is all water right
Look
here.
at guys. It's like ice.
Canadian weather. And look, now it all stops when we turn back. See, look, before everything from that sewage is pouring into here.
So what you gonna do? You gonna go that way now?
No, we'll just turn back for now. Look, see? Look at this.
Yeah, oh my gosh. But even here, on this side, look, everything goes here and eventually go over there.
Yeah. Look at that, look at that. Look, it's pouring out.
Oh my. River. It's so hot here. Oh no, no! Okay, so we gonna try McLaughlin, Oscar?
There's like waves.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Let's see. I have to go this way, so. Doesn't matter. McLaughlin's gonna be the same, eh?
Yeah. It could be worse.
Okay, we're gonna go on McLaughlin. We'll see.
We're off for a week, so enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon right back here on Brampton.
Look, the whole street's washed out.
Really?
Look, from that side to that side.
We can go anywhere. Boy, hopefully we're gonna get back home.
I think once trying it, I think the Nissan Altima cleared it. Like the next guy's going in the Jeep.
Oh my gosh, is people going or not? Gee.
Oh man, look how deep it's getting.
Oh, this car not supposed to go. This Toyota?
Oh, he's gonna get stuck.
It'll be back, yeah.
I did it better.
He's trying, he's gonna turn around. How about this? This one is higher than us, eh?
This one, yeah. Look, this guy made it here.
It's gonna be stuck. People are...
Oh, that guy's it, I think. Oh.
That guy made it, eh? With
Yeah.
the white van?
I guess you just have to take the middle.
But this guy is stuck, so we'll see.
Just let these guys through and then just stay in the middle.
You see, look at Honda. Civic. Oh, it's getting more and more, Oscar. I'm not supposed to go, you know, it's not good for the car.
These guys are making it here. We can do it.
It's not good for the car, I'm saying.
Feel the road? It felt a bit,
Yeah, looks cracked.
Yeah.
Right. Oh my goodness. Asfalt poszedł, się dziura.
Yeah, chyba na prawej stronie.
Concrete.
Go off to the other side.
Go home.
Over here.